So in this video, you'll learn how to customize the side key double press to launch your favorite app on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. So if you want to have a quick shortcut whenever you want to launch your favorite app, then using the side key double press can be incredibly useful. So in order for you to customize that button, what you're going to do is just to navigate to your settings menu. And then from here, you're going to scroll down until you find advanced features, and then you're going to tap on it. Under advanced features, you're going to select the option side button. And then once you've selected side button, you should see double press. So you need to ensure that this feature is enabled. And once it's enabled, you'll notice the default option is the camera, which means that whenever I double press on the side button of my tablet, the camera app automatically launches. But if you want to change it to something different, then what you're going to do is just select that option, double press. And then from here, you can see the tools that you can launch. So you have Torch, Voice Recorder, Samsung Notes, Samsung Capture, and Modes and Routines. So you can select any of these tools, and they may have sub-headings. So you can have Open Voice Recorder or even Start Recording if you choose the Voice Recorder option. So make your choice. And now, whenever you double press on the side button, whatever action you've set it to do, which for me is turning on the torch, it will be done. So just double press. Then you can see the torch has been successfully enabled. If I want to disable it, I can just double press again and the torch will be turned off. If you want to set it to an app, then you're going to just come to this apps section, and then you can see a list of all the installed apps on your tablet. So you can go ahead and select an app that you wish to be launched whenever you double press on the side button. So let's say, for example, the calendar app. So now, whenever I double press, the calendar app automatically opens on my Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. So it's up to you to decide which app you would prefer to use whenever you're using the side key double press function. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.